Today, let's share how to be in a completely natural state. Cultivate seedlings. Seeds not only germinate quickly and strong and healthy. If you are also a gardening enthusiast, then keep looking down. Quick and easy. Cheap organic. Nature breeds stronger, healthier seedlings. I believe it is the wish of many people. First, prepare an effective calcium supplement to prevent the seedlings from dying. One of the best natural fertilizers is rice washing water. It's rich in calcium. Make plants stronger, more resistant to environmental factors, and it protects them from disease and pests. Preparation of rice washing water. Soak 5 spoons of rice in a liter of cold water for 2 hours. Calcium is necessary for the normal development of the root system. Calcium deficiency, metabolic disorder, fire root dysplasia. Once the root system stops growing, reduced nutrient uptake by plants. All kinds of diseases take advantage of the situation, except for calcium. Rice washing water also contains other essential nutrients. Rugia, phosphorus and magnesium are excellent seed fertilizers. Water them regularly with rice washing water. Even old seeds with very little activity, it sprouts faster. You can use it for cucumbers, chili tomato, zucchini, eggplant and other crops. But be careful that too much watering will cause the roots to rot. Therefore, the soil is slightly moist. That's all for sharing today. See you next time.